I have discovered how to earn $8 in just 15 seconds, and it's through watching videos on the internet. Yes, you could make money from this website while you sleep in your own bed and watch videos. The best part is that it requires no skill at all, just some time on your part. Let's begin by visiting this super website. Swingbucks.com is the name of this website. My goal is 100k subscriber before the end of this year, so please click the like and subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So, what is Swingbucks.com? Swingbucks.com is a website that allows you to earn money by completing tasks and offers. It's a simple and easy way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. So why should you check out Swingbucks.com? Well, for one thing, it's completely free to join and use. As you can see, you have the opportunity to earn money on this reliable and long-lasting website every 15 seconds. You can also earn money by watching one of the many videos that are presented here and are available to you. To make this clearer to you, let us see how people who have made money using this website have reviewed it on Trustpilot. You can see that this guy has thanked Swingbucks for his first $5 income. And also, this person earned an income of $23. Look, this person has earned $20 for an hour, $40 for 2 hours, and $120 for 3 hours from the website that I'm going to present to you today. Keep in mind that watching videos is just one of the many ways you can make money on this website. There are many more opportunities as well. You can earn up to 3 cents per click by clicking on advertisements and viewing them. You also have the opportunity to earn up to $1 by playing clicks, grid. Additionally, if you are interested, you can make money by completing offers. However, for now, we will concentrate on watching videos because doing so will result in a satisfactory financial reward. As you can see in this example, it is possible to earn money by watching videos on YouTube. This is a pretty smart strategy to follow. And if you stick around until the very end of this video, I'll reveal something special only for you, so don't stop watching now. The first thing you have to do is go ahead and click on this register button right here, which will then bring you to the website where you can register for this. You can sign up using either your mobile phone or your computer, whichever you want. Now, all you need to do is fill out the general information fields with your full name, username, and email address, and then all you need to do after that is create a password. In the second section, which deals with your payment account, you will just need to input your payment information. Therefore, you have the option of receiving payment by PayPal, Perfect Money, Payer, Skrill, or AirTM. After that, you need to confirm that you are not a robot, agree to the terms of service, and then click the register button. In addition, the next thing you need to do is log into your account, where you will notice a range of advertisements and videos that you can view in order to earn money online. You currently have a variety of choices available to you as a result of the fact that this website features a large number of distinct businesses. However, the most significant obstacle that newcomers have is that they don't know which businesses or videos they should pay attention to in order to make the most money. Therefore, the first additional piece of advice that I have for you is to focus your attention on micro ads, as this type of advertisement will bring in the biggest amount of money in the shortest period of time. The reason for this is that you may make money by merely watching 15-second video advertisements. After the video commercial has been played for 15 seconds, as you can see on this one, it will automatically skip over to a regular YouTube video. The only thing left for you to do at this point is to keep watching and wait for the next video ad to arrive. After that, all you need to do is watch the previous commercial for another 15 seconds, and so on. You will have the chance to make money this way over and over again. You may actually silence the movie, as you can see above, by pressing the button labeled mute, which is located in this area. This will be an additional helpful hint for you. After that, by doing so, you will be able to let the movie play in the background while you concentrate on attending to other matters. Therefore, this is an extremely useful approach in which you are able to watch many films on each individual tab all at the same time. You can also watch many videos simultaneously on multiple devices if you have more than one phone or computer at your disposal. Be aware that the likelihood of seeing advertisements increases proportionately with the number of videos you watch. Additionally, the more advertisements you watch, the more money you will make. The best aspect is that whenever you watch a video, you are certain to see at least one advertisement at the beginning, which will provide you with a significant amount of guaranteed cash. And as the video begins, you can discover that there are 2, 3, or even 4 advertisements from the same video, which will increase the potential earnings from that video even further. I have one more additional piece of advice for you right now. Every time you click on one of these little boxes within the clicks grid, you have the opportunity to win a prize worth up to $5. Now, all that is required of you is to click on one of the boxes, and it might be any one of them. Take, for instance, this box right here, which, when clicked, will load a website at random. Now, all that is required of you is to remain on that page for the next 15 seconds, other than that, you won't have to do anything. You will have the opportunity to earn $5 if you are fortunate. Playing Clicks Grid doesn't require a lot of skill at all. You only need to click anywhere on the image to be entered into the drawing for a chance to win up to $5 directly deposited into your account balance. Each click will open up a sponsor's website, which you are required to visit for up to 15 seconds while doing nothing else in order to be eligible for a prize worth up to $5. The fact that clicks will be reset each day is a very cool feature. The contents of each of these boxes are about to be updated, at which point you will be able to click on them once more. Making money with this website can be enjoyable. So, if you're looking for an easy and fun way to earn some extra money, give Swingbucks a try. It's completely free, and you never know what you might win. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out swingbucks.com for more information. The only disadvantage of using this website is that it may not be able to replace your day job, which means you will require additional side income. If you want to make more money, click this next video.